day. My name is Mary Lou Edwards of Diversified Mortgage Group. Today I'd like to speak to you about the document checklist that we need for every loan that goes through our office. Whether it's a purchase or a refinance, we need the same type of documents. The reason why we have a checklist is because the more complete you have in a file, the faster it is to get an approval. And so I'd like to go over them with you. Number one, we need the last 30 days of your pay stubs. That means if you get paid, the 15th and 30th, I only need 2. But if you get paid every 2 weeks, then I would need 3. If you get paid monthly, of course, I need 1. If you happen to be self-employed, then I would need a year-to-date profit and loss statement signed by you. Number 2, we need your last 2 years of your federal tax returns along with all the schedules. That means only your 1040s with Schedule A, B, C, D, E, and M. So that, along with your W-2s and or 1099s that you receive, anything that you receive in regards to income, we would need those to put in the file. Now, number 3 would be 2 months of bank statements. We need full pages. If it says page 1 of 9 and not page 9 looks like a blank sheet, please send every single page because it'll say there page 9 of 9. And then if you're getting Social Security income, then we do need 3 months showing the direct deposits going into your account. Number 4, we need a copy of your mortgage statement. Especially if you're doing a refinance, we need to know the exact account number, where to send the payoff, and that's the reason why we need the first and second if you have 2 loans. Along with any lease agreements if you are a landlord and have properties that you rent out. Now, if you're just renting right now, all we need is your landlord's name and phone number, and we could send them a verification of rent. And if that person is a private person, then we will need to get 12 months canceled checks from you if you're a renter right now and it's your first time to buy a home. So the next thing we need is a copy of your ID. And if you're getting an FHA loan right now, which is Federal Housing Authority, we do need your Social Security card. Another thing is we need all the contact information for your fire insurance. If you are renting right now, you would have to line up a person to do your fire insurance. I could either recommend somebody or feel free to shop around and get the best rate possible. I'll be happy to email them the appraisal so they have all that information. The other thing is, of course, the landlord. Another thing nowadays is we work through the work number. This www.theworknumber.com. And it's an automated service where we are able to verify employment. And what you need to do is get the company code of where you work at, and then you have to go into the work number and get your salary key, unless your employer will provide that for you. Then we could do that for you automated. Now, for other people, like some people get money from pensions, Social Security, any other types of income, you would have to provide any kind of award letter or documentation as to how you receive that income. And of course that would all be in your application form as well. If you have any questions, feel free to check out my website. It's all there, www.marylouedwards.com. And of course you can feel free to give me a call at 925-285-5333. I look forward to working with you. Thank you.